All right, we're gonna do some plowing. We got close to 15 to 16 inches of snow, so here we go. The Honda Foreman. I got a big drift out here I gotta get. I couldn't plow straight through it, so I'm having to bulldoze it. This is a 60-inch blade, so this is quite a lot of snow for it, but we'll get it. The tractor's in the building and I can't get to the tractor because of all the snow, so these Honda Foremans are a beast. A lot of low-end torque. All right, I think we can make it to the wood pile now. So now we're gonna switch over our blade, angle it, if I can flip it around there. Snow kind of gets it clogged up sometimes. There we go. You can see I've got two 50-pound bags of gravel in the back of my weight box. It's just old milk crate, and works pretty well. I really like the Moose plow, and then this is a super winch I mounted on here. So this is a 2003 four-wheeler. It's getting up there in age, but man, it can push like a mule. So it's pretty tough. And to beat all, it's running almost fairly worn out tires. I don't know if you can see those. They're not the best tires in the world. So here we go. On to power. That was in second gear.